You will learn the concepts of BIM, building information modeling, and we will teach you the best way to work with Revit Structure and not just the tools. The Revit Structure course. You get access to hands-on training to improve your practical skills in Revit. With the right learning procedure, you will sure to be at an intermediate level by the end of this course. Sufficient practice of various Revit commands will make you as an expert in Revit Structure. You will learn how to model in Revit Structure using all the right practices and create plans, elevations, sections, 3D views, schedule of quantities, rendering, printing PDFs, and construction details from this course. You will have access to learning about the concepts of BIM, building information modeling. NCOMNA certificate will be sent to you after the completion of the Revit Structure course, which can improve your career opportunities. Revit Structural Online and Offline Office Training by BIM Consultants Services Lahore, Pakistan is ideal for candidates from structural engineering background who want to explore the design capabilities of Revit Structure software. This training program acquaints participants with the various software features related to architectural design and construction. This Revit Structure training builds an individual understanding related to the software fundamentals, and moves on to explain how to create projects, as well as deal with. BIM Consultant is committed to deliver the best training in Pakistan and around the globe. We have already finished successfully 3 trainings and got a very good response from our students, with more students coming in for the trainings. Course contents: creating levels and grids, creating and modifying levels, creating and modifying structural grids, using temporary dimensions, pinning elements, structural columns, placing structural columns, modifying columns, placing slanted structural columns, understanding architectural columns, structural walls, creating custom walls, placing walls, modifying walls, foundations, creating and customizing footings, placing footings, adding piers and pilasters to a foundation, creating a concrete slab or floor, structural reinforcement, setting the cover depth, placing rebar, editing rebar, adding reinforcement to an entire area, adding reinforcement on a path, beams, joists, and bracings, adding beams, adding beam systems, adding beam annotation, adding coping to a beam to change its shape, editing beam joins, adding joists, adding cross bracing, floors, creating and modifying floors, customizing floors, creating openings in floors for staircases, circulation, creating basic stairs, creating a ramp, creating views, creating section views, creating a framing elevation, using call-out views for details, annotation and drafting tools, adding text, creating dimensioning labels, adding extra detail information with detail lines, using regions to create material indications and patterns, using detail components to add common two-dimensional items, schedules and legends, creating column schedules, creating footing schedules, adding legend components to a legend, creating a symbol legend from scratch, sheets, creating standard sheets, adding drawings to sheets, adding revisions, printing a sheet, architectural underlay, CAD files, importing CAD files, linking CAD files, best practices for cleaning up CAD files, controlling CAD file visibility, architectural underlay, Revit projects, linking in a Revit model, controlling linked objects in model visibility, options for copying and monitoring important building elements in a structure. Hurry up to take the admission for Revit Structure. Do not miss this opportunity. Please call for registration on the numbers given. BIM Consulting Services have provided the training to our old students and they have passing their comments about our trainings. I found BIM Consulting Services trainer very good and they have given me this course in a very inspiring way. The way you teach is great. I did this course with so much clarity. Explained well, even small commands in such detail that it was very easy for me to understand the Revit. Fantastic trainer, very friendly and encouraging. All of the exercises were on a scale of good to excellent. It is one of the best learning platform to get better knowledge with variable engineering related softwares. Honestly, this course has been even beyond my expectations. I learned things that I even did not know that we can do in Revit. Revit has everything that designing a project needs. It helped me to upgrade my skills. Thank you for delivering me a fantastic course. With best regards, Zafar Abbas.